Hello everyone, welcome to Chris Khan Academy, the YouTube channel which brings you more about different educational videos, national exams, marking, guide, questions and answers, even other education related videos. So I would like to request you subscribe please to our YouTube channel, share and comment if you need any support on education. So now we are coming up with the marking guide for 2025 national exams, especially in Rwanda, and we start from mathematics in seniors or ordinary level national exam. So as you know, you have to do all instructions regarding the book, and you know that in this new curriculum we are likely to have the questions that are likely to be multiple choice, and here I have the question and its respective answer and its proof for that question. As you know, in section A, it's almost requiring you to attempt all questions out of 55 marks. And here the question one was talking about, suppose a set has a set has 4 power n minus 3 subsets, and n is the number of elements in a set. How many elements are in this set? A circle the correct answer. As you see in the color of yellow, the correct answer is A, means is 6. But here the proof of that answer, as you see the question is written and is worked out. So for me, I'd like to choose sharing you the questions and the respective answers to help you to get more questions and more answers, instead of making those answers step by step, but also I give you how that answer how that answer have been got and get a proof for it. So the question number 2 was asking, find the image of the function f of x, which is equal to absolute value of minus x squared plus 3, defined on the following domain. Then we have -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Then circle the correct answer. As you see, the answer must be 1, 2 and 3, B, as you see in letter B in yellow. Here there is the proof, and then there is number 3, where you have an arc subtends an angle of 135 degrees at the center of a circle of radius 21 centimeter, and you have to use pi, which is equal to 22/7 as well, and find the length of the given arc and the circle, the letter that corresponds to the best answer. The length have to be 49.50 centimeter, and the true answer or the proof of that answer is here. Length equal to 135/360 times 2 times 22/7 times 21, and you have to get the final answer as well. The number 4, out and fill the missing number. As you see, this is base 2, and then the final answer is in that color of yellow. So number 5, have the functions f of x is equal to x bracket 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 times x minus 3 over 2x plus 3, and we ask you to find or to simplify f of x and circle its simplified form. Here you see the answer is f of x is equal to 3. Here there is a proof, and then here there is B. We know that we have f of 7 using the simplified form of f of x. The answer will be 3, as the answer is D. Here, regard quadratic equation below. State whether each of the following expression is true or false. As you see, you have to prove that if these questions are true or are false. Then list 3 types of correlations in statistics. We have positive, negative, and no correlation. And then in number 8, as you see, you have been asked to solve the following pair of simultaneous equations: 0.6x minus 0.1y equal to -1, and minus x minus 0.5y, which is equal to 2, and circle the correct answer. The answers is having a solution of -4 and -1 and 4. Solve the following pair of simultaneous equations as well. The steps, these are the solution or the proof of that answer you have been getting. Here there is number 9. And here there is number, it's proof of that answer. Here we have number 10. Circle the correct answer domain of definition in R, or here numbers go to 9x plus 4 minus 12x over 36 squared minus 4x is. Then the its domain definition, it is R, set of 0 and 2 over 3 included. Here there is the proof of finding that equation. So here we have number 11. Here we have number 12. Here we have number 13 and its proof, and here we have number 14. And this proof, and I have number 15, and then we have number 16. In section B, we have to attempt any 3 questions, and there is number 16. We have the A, which says Severson invests 80,000 francs for 3 years in a saving account. He gets 5% per annum compound interest. How much money will Severson have in the saving account at the end of 3 years? This is a simple interest. Take amount, which is equal to 8,000 francs plus 1 plus 0.05 power 3 to be 80 times 1.05 power 3. The amount will be 92610 francs. And we have B, where 40 people consume 200 kilogram of rice in 30 days, and been asked how many days will the 30 people consume 500 kilogram of rice, as it is the direct proposition where you take total rice consumed, total people, and total days, and you did the proportions. So this is the right answer. And number 17, given that px equal to x power 3 minus x power 2 minus 14x plus 24 equal to x minus 2 brackets ax squared plus bx plus c, and you determine the value of a, b, and c. Here you do expansion in the product rule, and then you have to compare p of x. So you have to know a equal to 1, b equal to b minus 2, a equal to minus 1, and c minus 2, c equal to minus 14. And you get a equal to 1, b equal to 1, and c equal to 12. Factorize, we have the complex of px after getting that px equal to x minus 2, bracket x squared plus x minus 12, and have to make a factorization and get the factors as been required, and you have to solve p of x as well. Here we have number 18, sorry, it is in vectors. We have u, which is equal to x 5, then x minus 1, v, which is equal to 3 and 3x minus 1, and find the value of x if the u vector is a perpendicular to v vector. As you know, u times v, if the vectors are perpendicular, means v and u in multiplication equal to 0, and then you solve that answer as well. And then here there is b, u vector is a parallel to, if it is parallel, u vector will be equal to v vector, and then you cross multiply or expand and bring all terms to on one side to get the exact answer. And if the u vector is equal to v, then you get no. And if we ignore the first component mismatch, so we have to solve that solution. And then we have number 19, trapezium ABC below FG prime 2x squared minus 5x centimeter, as you shown in the figure below. And then I've been asked to find the value of x that can be balance the condition of the parallel side. And you've been asked also to find if the area of the trapezium is 60 centimeter and you have its height is 6 centimeter. Find EF. As you see, this is the answer. There is number 20, auto translation. We have the Cartesian plane, the coordinates A and B and even C as the vertices of triangle ABC, and we ask you to do that ABC in a Cartesian plane. And then we have to find the A images, B image and C image, and after under the central symmetry about the origin, and then you get that coordinates, and you have to draw A image, B image, and C image on a Cartesian plane, and as that of the triangle, and find the coordinates of B prime prime, A prime prime, and C prime prime, or image of ABC, and a reflection in line x equal to 5, and draw that image. There is the points of the image, and then you have I've been asked a translation T maps A04 to A3 image minus 3 to 6, and find that T. Then you have to find that T, and then determine the coordinates of B prime 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 and C prime prime prime, and images of B00 and C44 under the translation T, which is equal to minus 3 and 2. Then after getting that points, you need to draw that figure as well. This is a Cartesian plane with those images under reflection and translation as well. This is the Cartesian plane. So this is the end of this question paper. I think you enjoyed it and get how to be on. If in order to get it well step by step, you need to download the video, or you watch it live and you pause and pause so that you can go step by step. So thank you, see you, and I wish to give you more videos on more collections of National Exam 2025. So mostly in different subjects, whether primary, secondary, or in advanced level and O level. See you, subscribe.